Hey there, Westhoff here with Dove Development and Consulting. So not so long ago in this series, we walked through the ideas of leading with a clear purpose, not only for leading ourselves with a clear purpose, but really leading the team members that we've got responsibility for. How do we provide them with the clarity around a purpose that really matters, that really gives them that fulfillment? Now, before we really dive into that idea of the team, we need to make sure we're doing the right things for ourselves. So I want to start this process by asking you, why do you do what you do? So what we're going to do is we're going to work through a couple of specific things. And I want to challenge you to really think about, what did you dream of when you were a kid? I mean, for me, and I reference it if you're going to dig into this a little bit deeper, I remember pretending as a kid that I was Bo Duke. And I'm not sure why not Luke Duke, why Bo Duke instead. But gosh, it was just so fun to watch the Dukes of Hazzard and see the things they were doing, although I still can't point to what they did for a living, what they did professionally, other than help on the farm a little bit here and there. And that certainly couldn't have paid their tickets from Roscoe or their tab at the Boar's Nest, but here or there. I do, however, remember just a short stint as a kid. I remember wanting to be a professional baseball player, but gosh, my dreams of professional baseball, that kind of went away because I couldn't run very fast, I couldn't hit very well, and I couldn't catch. I could throw it pretty good, but I couldn't do much else. And I wasn't very accurate when I threw it, but so I wasn't going to be a professional baseball player. But the point is, I've been able to really dig into what are the things for me that really drove me to pursue and really enjoy, and still today, some 35 years later, I still enjoy the game of baseball a lot, albeit I can't play it. But I can connect some of those things from that childhood dream to the things that I do on a daily basis today that gives me passion, that gives me fulfillment, that really speak to that purpose that I'm after. And what I've learned is it really boils down to, when I understand how I'm wired, I can connect those dots really, really easily. What we're going to do moving forward is dig deeper into how we're wired as individuals and some of the tools that we can use to do that, so we can really connect with that individual purpose that we've got, so we can lead through the toughest times, and we can provide our team members with their specific individualized purpose that really fulfills them, and we can work together around an organizational purpose. So a lot of different moving parts here, but I promise you all of them are going to come back together, and how we're wired is going to play a pretty cool role in that, just as much as understanding how our team members are wired too. So if you've never done it, I'll challenge you, wherever you're accessing this, to work through the assessment, all these things with that purpose. It really boils back to, how do we have more effective organizations? How do we lead well, but how do we capture the profitability? I've got a book that's coming out soon on this, and maybe by the time you're seeing or hearing this, the book is out. It's going to be released on February 20th, 2024, called What's Killing Your Profitability. But wherever you're accessing this, I challenge you to take the short quiz. There's a link at the bottom, and maybe at the bottom of a web page that it takes you to, there's a quiz or assessment, if you will, that I'm going to walk you through in a video. I think it's 8 or 10 questions. It really drives to how do we land you on the right tool for you early on. Maybe it's a conversation one-on-one. Maybe we can help prescribe or tailor something that really serves you as best we possibly can. Maybe it's some of our complementary resources. We've got a ton of stuff out there. Any way we go about it, that assessment is geared to find what's right for you, as opposed to just throwing a whole bunch of mud up against the wall and hoping something sticks. Hope this serves you well. Look forward to going deeper into this process with you. Make it a great day. We'll see you soon. God bless.